Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. Please mind the look. Just uploaded a video. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. That was it. And was working throughout the video and some YouTube work. Hence a bit messy. And I'm kind of getting sick with this mask. It's like a small chain, always there. Anyway, heading to a glass store because it's been almost 3 years since I got my reading, my regular clear glasses, the one that you guys usually see me in. Getting the lenses replaced and also getting a new set of sunglasses. The problem with my eyes is I have a sight of -6 on both the eyes. -6, yes. Idi teeste I can drive, but the visibility is not that great, so I would probably drive like a grandma slowly. Anyway, so getting some prescription sunglasses, different ones than these, because I've got bored with these glasses since these have been there since the last 4 years. So getting a prescription sunglasses too. The clear glasses are apparently ready. They'll take at least 4 or 5 hours to fit them apparently. I don't know why. So because of that, I would not have any other glasses till today evening. And today evening we have a small plan to catch up with some of my friends. You remember Pranav in the last video, the speed twin guy, and he moved into a new house, so we're just catching up there. Hopefully I would get my glasses by then. We'll drop these glasses and catch you guys in a short while. Can you get this ready by 6:30?
7 o'clock, sir. At least it will take.
7?
Yes, sir.
But 7 confirmed?
Definitely, sir. So we'll send it by afternoon session and then it will get ready by evening.
At the earliest, because I'll be here by 6:30 itself.
Okay.
You can get it done by 6:30. That will be the best thing. Only fitting, na?
Only fitting, sir. That's all.
So itna time ke lata hai usually?
Boy has not came here, sir. So he has to came from place to place.
Achha. Okay, definitely didn't plan for this. Now that I'm here, actually nearby to the BMW showroom, the new 310 series have come, the BS6 2020 versions, the 310R and the 310 GS. There's no test ride available, but we can still check them out. A quick glimpse before everyone else sees it. So, are you excited? Let's go and see them. So the headlights new, the paint scheme is new, the red previous frame, slightly refined exhaust mode apparently. I definitely rode the old 310 GS, and this sounds definitely smoother and refined. Sounds good here. No updates to the dash, pretty much the same. I think that's good enough dash for this cars. At this pricing, this is pretty good. I think 2.85 X showroom. We'll do a dedicated B-roll and a test drive impressions when they have available for test ride soon, maybe sometime in the next week or so. Quite a few similarities, but the major difference is the pricing, guys. The headlight, the pricing, the refinement, those are different. Hey guys, there was a lot of stuff happening at the showroom. They're moving the showroom, and there are a lot of people for, I guess, the new 310. It was too packed to do a nice shoot of the new launch. So once the showroom is open, once everything is set, we'll have a first ride impressions and also a good B-roll. So till such time, hope you enjoyed that exhaust note and just a few glimpses of the bike. The work here is done. Gave the glasses and now just heading home. So we'll probably catch you guys later in the evening when I'm heading out to meet these guys. Hey guys. It's almost 8 o'clock. Got my glasses back. Manogna.
Hello.
Also ready. Heading to Pranav's place. Already running late. Actually picked them up from the Kukatpalli store here. Not the one in Jubilee Hills because I was running late. It's on the way, so I thought I asked them to drop them here. Luckily, within 5 minutes, the guy came. Was using old glasses and the vision was not that great. Slightly blurry, but better than not having any glasses. దొంగోళ్ళగా ఏం రాది
ప్రతిసారి కొత్త మీద వస్తావా? హాయ్ ఐఎమ్ చైతన్య. వాట్ హౌ మచ్ బెట్?
50,000 in the box తినాలంట.
50,000
15.
నేను తింటా.
Hello, I only get
15. అబ్బా అరే నువ్వు అన్నావు. అరే
That was a great time with my friends. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was only a short bit of the party that I showed you. We just wanted to keep the cameras aside and have some fun. We have a ride coming up tomorrow, and I'm all excited. And I hope you guys are excited for that. Let's keep it fun. You have to follow me on Instagram here to know where we are heading, because I'll keep posting some stories on the way. And I'm sure Aditya, who's joining us by the way, will also do so. We have Sriman, me, Aditya. All of us are heading for a short 4-day ride. Hope we can extend it by a day or two, but we'll see. Aditya has to come back. Anyway, my bags are done. So this is my tank bag. We'll keep the camera and the tripods here. Good addition. Unlike the last trip to Goa, we have this bag now. And I've decreased the backpack size. This is just for food and any immediate stuff that I need. And we have the two soft panniers fully packed. And weight is also checked. The thing with these bags is it takes max 10 kilos because there is a speed restriction on these. Same case with this one too. Typically what I pack is I calculate the number of days. So in this case we have 4 days or 3 nights, 2 pairs for the night and 1 jeans because it's just 4 days, and I'll probably I have 3 shirts, dry fit t-shirts, so that I can use them while on the bike and off the bike too, and also riding gear, so the riding dry fit shirts and pants that go inside the jacket. My Rhinox jacket and also the pant. I have a dry fit pant inside and a dry fit shirt inside this, and the waterproof Dainese gloves, and my helmet. The GoPro batteries are charged, already charging few things up. But you know, before every ride, the one day before, I somehow rush things up. I still need to finish this edit, so by the time you see this video I'll probably be on the road already, and I should have done it today, but somehow things just get delayed. But that's okay, that's the fun of it. That's the fun way of building up the excitement, and also somehow we don't get sleep the night before the ride. But hopefully today I hope to get some sleep because we are starting early, and there was heavy rain today, and I hope there's no rain, but we might find occasional showers, which are fine as long as it's not Sikkim. We can take it. The shoes are ready. What else? That's it, guys. The toiletries. This is my toiletries bag that I've been carrying for a long time. I keep bags for all the wires and batteries and electronics. Good way to manage is put all stuffs in small Ziploc bags and just throw them out in the bags instead of just putting them loosely. So every time whenever I go for a trip, I just put those bags inside. Unfortunately, I couldn't show how the packing is done because I just threw all of them in the bags. So the clothes go in the lightest bag, and the jeans and some electronics and the laptop go in the heavier bag. So those two sizes are 35 and 25. So I put most of the heavier stuff in 35, even though both actually take the maximum weight, surprisingly. Anyway, that's it for this video. Let's hopefully we'll catch you guys in the next video at the location. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. And in case you're watching this in the night time, have a good night, take care. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button because you're gonna miss instant notifications whenever we post the updates. Okay, some amazing drone shots and 360 shots coming up in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.